After spending the night somewhere between Essaouira and Taznit, I'm back on the road, heading to pottery country, Safi, which is a few hours away. The road stretches out with mountains in the distance, and the views keep getting better as I go. It's drives like this that make road trips so special.
Good morning. Oh, it is 6:30 a.m. right now.
This is what I love about road trips. You never know what you'll find. Just spotted some locals working with haystacks, and I can't resist pulling over to take a closer look. Let's see if they're cool with the camera. Turns out, the locals were more than welcoming. 1 minute I'm watching them stacking hay. The next, I'm climbing up onto a pile myself, cracking jokes with Al-Jalali, who might just be the funniest guy in the village. Fast forward, and I'm in Safi, parked near the old Medina.
We just arrived to Safi. This is the old Medina, right there. And this is another fortress.
Pottery shops on every corner. Locals selling handcrafted pieces that this city's famous for. There's something about Safi that's instantly charming. It's pushing 91 degrees out here, but Safi's humidity makes it feel like 191.
Right now, what I really want is to eat because I am hungry.
A local pointed me to someone named Hosney. Let's see if I can track him down in this maze of pottery shops. Finally, I meet the man himself, Chef Hosney. He's cooking fish tagine right from the oven. The fish sizzles in the clay dish as he names each type in Berber, French, Spanish. A local language blend only Moroccans can pull off. He offers me a taste, and I'm sold. I'm ordering the whole thing.
It's so hot, I really can't.
There's something about eating with your hands, breaking off bread and soaking up every flavor. Each bite is incredible. One of the best fish meal I've ever had. With my stomach full, I'm off to explore Safi's Medina. As I'm walking, I stumbled upon a pottery shop where they hand paint every design. The craftsmanship here is on another level. I made it to the fortress, which sits empty except for Moroccan flags waving in the breeze. The smell, though, less impressive. Safi's charm might be in the Medina, not up here. And just like that, I'm back on the road, crossing bridges, watching the landscape go from rocky to green. Morocco is definitely full of surprises. Next stop, Fas. Thanks for tagging along through Safi. Catch you guys on the next leg of this Moroccan adventure.